Okay, so I just put on the alternator bracket down here. It's a little longer than the original. Should allow me to tighten my belt better. And now I'm going to take off the distributor cap. I'm going to replace the coil too. And I'm going to put out electronic ignition. So hopefully the engine will run better. Not that it's been running bad, but these points are a pain in the butt. They never stay in it. Okay, I got the rotor cap off. And boy, is it dusty. That just looks not good. I don't know what generates all that dust inside there. It's going to have to be cleaned out too. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to do this myself. But yeah, it's all dusty. I don't know if that's I don't know what that's from. But yeah, now I got to take that plate, the rotor, and the plate and the points will come out. Okay. So I'll have to take it off the coil. What you doing? Okay, I followed the instructions and I installed the new magnetic electronic ignition. So here's what we got. So you got to use this little piece of plastic to get the adjustment correct. Why is it not focusing? And that's the point I'm at right now. So I'm gonna put it all together. You have to install this little end because I got a coil zip tie around there to make sure the wire doesn't get caught up in the spinning distributor. So I would have shown you this as I'm doing it, but unfortunately I'm the only one here. So the next thing I gotta do is there's a notch right here. And I'm going to take the Dremel and I've got to extend that all the way through so this grommet will fit. So yeah, I made quick work of that with the Dremel. You can use a rat tail file too, but that would have taken a lot longer. So yeah, now it's time to mount the cap back on. I already got the rotor on there. When you're doing this work, make sure you put the rotor back in. I can't tell you how many times I forgot to do that. And I wonder why the engine won't start. Well, there you go. Okay, I got it all assembled back together. You can check it out right here. I put the cap on, zip tied the wires, attached the coil, and put the alternator back together. So let's see if it runs. Oh, yep. There she goes. Started right up. Call that a success. All right, on to the next task.
Old-timey sails blow high. Storms can't make us cry. Through gales we drag anchor wide. Great Lakes, our endless tide. Exploring islands near and far. Rock Isle under a northern star. Beaver Isle where echoes wake. Les Jeanneau shadowed in lustrous lake. Hoist the flag and let's brave the squall. Salty tales will heed the call. Wind howls, the night won't break. Shake down on this saltless lake.